Jump. 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 Hi, welcome back to another video. You know what we're here for. We're here for one of the mini games. One card or thinking of you. So you can do either one card or thinking of you. They both add up to your 500 fragments. However, both of them give you unique rewards. One of them, so thinking of you, you have to hit 1,000,000, and I think you get this hood. And then if you hit 500 in one card, you get one of the other items. So yeah, don't miss out if you don't want to miss those. But I figured I'd do a video of thinking of you so that people can know what's going on with this. What is this resolution, bruh? Ha! Green, blue, red, red. Oh, juke. Red, green, blue, red, blue. Wait, what? Red? Oh, we messed up, dude. We suck. We suck. Not actually. We're the best. Spam! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 1. Oh shoot! Oh no! Come on! Come on! Oh, it's the origamis. I used to make these in class. Woo! 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 Oh, go, 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 go! Ah! Ah! I did not. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. We don't miss. No. 2, 3, go. See how could we miss? Look at all this. Perfect. 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 Oh, perfect. Yeah. Look at that. 51K, bruh. 51K. Nice and juicy. 51, dude. 51. It's 36, but 51K. Oh, snap. Oh, it's the next day. Stay tuned for one card in a separate video. Okay, bye.